In this video, I will show you how to watch adult content on YouTube. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. So start the process by opening the YouTube application. Once it will be open, tap on your profile icon located at the right bottom. Once you will click on it, now click on the setting icon which is on the right top. And here, click on the general which is on the top. Scroll down and here you can see the option of restricted mode. If this feature is on, then simply turn it off. Because when this feature will be on, then you can see this helps to hide potentially mature videos. No filter is 100% accurate. This setting only applies to this app on this device. Now, after turning it off, click on the option location and here choose the new location which you want to change. After changing the location, you may able to see the content which you want to see. And that's it.